properties of algorithm. So far we discussed that algorithm is nothing but it is step-by-step method for solving a particular problem or doing a task, simple task. Okay, so now let us see the properties. Properties of algorithm. So the first property is input. Okay, so starting we have to give the input. So whatever the requirements, whatever the information we are giving to this algorithm, that you call it as a input. So input refers to its algorithm uses values from a specific set. Okay, it takes one specific set of items will be there. Those you call is a input. These inputs will be used by the algorithm. So algorithm uses a values from a specific set. You call it as an input. So next coming to the output. Output is another property. So output means here for each input the algorithm produces values from a specific set. So for each input it specifies, for each input the algorithm produces values from a specific task. Okay, so this is the input is one of the property, output is another property. Next, third property, precision. So what do you mean by this precision? Precision is nothing but it is a steps or precisely defined. So those you call it as a precision. So precision is one of the property used in the algorithm. Next property, correctness. Okay, so here the algorithm uses the correctness property because here the output is correct for each input as defined by the problem. So whatever the input is defined for that output is correct. It will be checked by the algorithm. Next coming to the fitness. So next, fifth property is fitness. So fitness is nothing but here algorithm produces the output after a finite number of steps for each input. So it produces, algorithm produces output after finite number of steps for each input. That is a fitness. So here the algorithm produces output after finite number of steps for each input. So whatever the inputs we are taking, so it produces output as after